Miss Anna was a kind teacher. She worked in a big school. All the children in the school were rich. They wore new clothes. They had big cars and expensive toys. Miss Anna was not rich. She came to school by bus. She lived in a small room. But she loved teaching. She smiled every day and helped her students. The children liked her. She taught with love. One day, a new boy came to the school. His name was Tommy. He was small and quiet. His clothes were old. His shoes had holes. He looked scared. The rich children laughed at Tommy. "Look at his shoes," one boy said. "He smells bad," said a girl. "Why is he in our school?" said another. Tommy looked down. He did not say anything. He sat alone. He did not eat lunch. He had no friends. Miss Anna saw this. Her heart was sad. After class she went to Tommy. "Hello, Tommy," she said. "Are you okay?" Tommy nodded, but he had tears in his eyes. "Where are your books?" she asked. "I don't have money for books," Tommy said softly. "My mom is sick. My dad left us. We have nothing." Miss Anna felt her eyes fill with tears. She put her hand on his shoulder. "You are strong," she said. "And you are not alone." The next day, Miss Anna brought some old books. "These are for you," she said. Tommy smiled for the first time. "Thank you, Miss Anna." She also gave him a sandwich. "You must eat," she said. Every day Miss Anna helped Tommy. She gave him food. She gave him extra lessons. Slowly Tommy became happy. He smiled more. He started answering in class. He wanted to learn. But not everyone was happy. The problem starts. Mr. Blake, the school principal, was a rich man. He wore suits and had a big car. He liked money and power. One day he saw Miss Anna give food to Tommy. "What is this?" he asked. "I'm helping a student," she said. "This is not a charity," he shouted. "You can't do this." "But he is hungry," Miss Anna said. "He needs help." Mr. Blake was angry. "You are not allowed to give food to students. And you are spending too much time with this poor boy. Focus on the rich kids. Their parents pay us." Miss Anna was shocked. "All children are equal," she said. "Tommy is smart and kind. He deserves help." Mr. Blake did not listen. He walked away. The next week, Miss Anna found a letter on her desk. It said, "You are fired. Leave the school." She held the letter in her hands. She cried. Tommy saw her. "Why are you crying, Miss Anna?" She hugged him. "I have to go." "Is it because of me?" Tommy asked. Miss Anna smiled with tears. "No, it's not your fault. Always believe in yourself, Tommy. One day you will do big things." She left the school. But her story was not over. Miss Anna walked out of the school gates for the last time. Her heart was broken, but she didn't regret helping Tommy. She knew in her heart that she had done the right thing. The school replaced her quickly. The new teacher didn't smile much and didn't care about poor students. The classroom became cold and silent. Many students missed Miss Anna, especially Tommy. Tommy sat in the same seat every day, but it didn't feel the same without her. He kept the old books she gave him and read them at night. Even when he had no light at home, he studied with a candle. He remembered her words. "Believe in yourself. One day you will do big things." And he believed. A new chapter for Tommy. Years passed. Tommy worked hard in school. He stayed quiet but focused. Most students still ignored him, but he didn't care anymore. Miss Anna's kindness stayed with him. One day he won a science competition. Then a writing contest. His name started appearing on the school board. The rich students were surprised. "How can the poor boy win?" they whispered. But Tommy didn't stop. After school he took part-time jobs. He worked in shops, cleaned floors, and saved every coin. At night he studied harder than ever. His dream was big, to become a teacher like Miss Anna. When he finished high school he got a scholarship to a university. The day he received the letter he cried. His mother cried too. They had no money but they had hope. Miss Anna's struggle. After leaving the school, Miss Anna had a hard time. No school wanted to hire her. Some said, "You are too soft." Others said, "You care too much." She worked in small jobs, giving private lessons, teaching in tiny schools, and even working in a bookstore. Many nights she went to sleep hungry, but she never gave up. She always thought about Tommy. Did he continue studying? Is he okay? She wondered. She prayed for him every night. A surprise reunion. 10 years later, Miss Anna was walking to her small apartment after a long day. Her clothes were old and her bag was heavy. As she walked, a black car stopped next to her. A man stepped out. He wore a nice suit, but his eyes were kind. "Miss Anna," he said. She turned slowly. "Yes." He smiled. "It's me, Tommy." Miss Anna's eyes filled with tears. "Tommy, is it really you?" "Yes," he said, hugging her. "You changed my life." She looked at him in disbelief. "You grew up so well. You look successful." "I became a teacher. Then I opened a school," he said. "And now I want you to come with me." "Come with you?" she asked. "Yes," he smiled. "I built a new school for poor children, just like me. I want you to be the head teacher." Miss Anna cried. "I don't deserve this." Tommy held her hand. "You do. You gave me food when I was hungry, books when I had none, and love when I felt nothing. You gave me everything. Now let me give something back." The new school. Miss Anna went with Tommy to the new school. It was beautiful. Not big or fancy like the old school, but full of joy, color, and children with dreams. There were no rich uniforms, no big cars, and no golden gates. But there was love, and learning, and laughter. Miss Anna started teaching again. She smiled, told stories, and gave hugs. Children loved her just like Tommy did. She gave sandwiches to the hungry and books to those who couldn't buy them. This time no one stopped her. Tommy became the school's principal. He treated every child equally. He told his students, "The world may forget who you are, but one kind teacher will always remember. And that can change your life." What happened to Mr. Blake? Years later, Tommy's school won a national award. A TV channel came to take interviews. One reporter said, "Your story is amazing. Who inspired you?" Tommy smiled. "A teacher named Miss Anna. She was fired for protecting me. But she taught me the greatest lesson: never stop being kind." People across the country watched that interview. Miss Anna became a hero. Schools called her. Children wrote letters to her. And even the rich school that fired her felt ashamed. Mr. Blake was no longer the principal. He had retired many years ago, forgotten by the world. But one day he saw the interview on TV. His eyes widened. "That poor boy became someone important," he whispered. And deep inside he felt regret. The lesson. Years passed. Tommy's school grew. It opened more buildings, helped more children. Miss Anna stayed there until she became old and gray. She was never rich with money, but she was rich with love. One day, Tommy stood in front of the students and said, "Kindness is free, but it is the most powerful gift. Miss Anna gave it to me when I had nothing. And now I give it to you." The students clapped. Many had tears in their eyes. Miss Anna, sitting nearby, smiled. I hope you enjoyed this story. Have you ever experienced? Share your stories with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories and adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.